A dramatic day in court in Hong Kong as dozens of pro-democracy campaigners learned their fate in a landmark trial verdict.
Thank you.
45 people convicted of subversion charges under the city's national security law all now face a maximum sentence of life imprisonment. They are part of a group known as the Hong Kong 47, politicians and activists who were accused of organizing an unofficial primary election in 2020. They were arrested in dawn raids across the city back in 2021, rounded up after Beijing imposed draconian security laws, following 6 months of anti-government protests across Hong Kong in 2019. 14 of the group were found guilty on Thursday. 31 had already pleaded guilty in advance, including high-profile activist Joshua Wong, who was already in jail. Here in Hong Kong, there were tears in court as the verdicts were read out. Family members crying openly as they learned the news that their loved ones could face life in prison. 2 others were acquitted due to lack of evidence, the first acquittals so far during the national security trials. Outside the magistrate's court, they gave thanks to their supporters.
Thank you very much for the concern over all the defendants of this case. Please carry on your concern and even love of us, if any.
Sentencing will be announced at a later date. Then the cases will likely go to appeal. Hundreds of people showed up to witness the trial, including diplomats from the US, EU, and elsewhere, surrounded by tight security from police. Amnesty International called it a sham trial to purge political opposition in a city which once prided itself on its freedom of speech and right to public protest. Chinese officials deny that the laws have suppressed any freedoms, saying they restored stability to the city. But experts say Hong Kong's legal system has been dramatically altered.
It's absolutely clear that the national security law reduced the independence and the autonomy of the judiciary. No juries, much more difficult to get bail.
So far, Hong Kong police say nearly 300 people have been arrested under the laws, which now include new legislation introduced in March. 6 people were arrested on Tuesday, accused of writing Facebook posts with seditious intent against Chinese officials, a sign that the crackdown on dissent in the city is expanding. Kristie Lu Stout, CNN, Hong Kong.